Check this out. Angkas is really, really good with their moment marketing. Just to dive into some lore a little bit, it's not as simple as Angkas sharing this and then pinagtawanan lang nila yung move it to mock them or anything. But for the longest time, Angkas really likes talking about their 99.997 safety rating. So when Move It comes out with 99.999, laugh trip para sa Angkas yun. Because we all know kung saan nanggaling yung number na to at bakit relevant yung number na to. Kasi dito sila nanggagaling. Angkas is fully aware that if they share this post, they're also in many ways promoting Move It. End of the day, everybody happy. Maganda kapag meron kang competitor. I think it's just right that Angkas laughs at other brands and promotes them as a side effect. Competition among brands, kapag may ganun, panalo parati ang consumer.